Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Let's discuss about normals and how to use minus reverse tool to adjust their direction. But what is a normal? Normals basically determine a surface's orientation towards a light source. Having correctly orientated normals is important as the 3D application uses this information to know which side of a surface is the front or back. Reversing the face normal on a polygon switches the front and back direction of the face. We can actually see the normals by going to Display, Polygons, Face Normals, and you can see this little line pointing out, which actually allows us to quickly and visually see which way the normals are facing. If I just go ahead and delete one of these faces so we can see inside, notice how the back faces are black. This also helps us see the orientation of our normals. So if we go ahead and go to Mesh Display, Reverse, see how the faces flip and the back becomes the front. The little lines are now also pointing inwards, if you can notice that too. Sometimes you might have a problem where your mesh is appearing completely black. A go-to solution for this is to try reversing your normals, as that's usually what's up. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Gumroad for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit those like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.